So there's this thing called gematria. Now, gematria is not numerology. There is a difference. This is not about forecasting. This is not foretelling the future. But based on the numeric value of a Hebrew word, every Hebrew word that has that same value, in other words, the same numeric value, there can be some correlation between those two words, and you can get some positive and or negative understanding of the dimensions of these words. You can discover how a word can have life in it. You can discover how you could have death if you did something else based on the numeric value of other words that are the same as the word you're trying to understand. Now, one of the things that's interesting is the word heaven and the word mind or thought has the same numeric value. And so we start realizing that heaven on earth does not come by changing everybody else. Heaven on earth does not come by changing anything externally, because anything you change externally will go away. It'll change again. It'll change because the people change, the weather changes, people's attitude changes. But when you deal with what's inside you, which are your thoughts and emotions, your beliefs and feelings, when you deal with that, then what happens is something changes in you that gives you a different perception, that gives you a different power, gives you a different influence over the world around you. And when you change what's in here by the internal influence of the life of God working in you, it will change things and your external environment without you out here trying to use force and fight and argue and all this kind of stuff.